The granddaughters are here. Say hey.
Hey!
That's Jalen and Valina. It's been 4 months since we've had the granddaughters, and we're fixing to go swimming with Pawpaw. And so I just wanted to check in, and we'll get back with you. Bye, guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Jalen, don't hit me. What are you doing, Jalen? Oh, what are you doing, Jalen?
Well, here are the rain bands. It's 7:30, and they're coming in. We're under tornado warnings as we speak till about 8:15. This is the beginning of what we're going to see all through tomorrow morning. Just doing a quick update. It's about 12:30. We've had bands of rain and wind gusts coming in about ever since golly 7 o'clock this morning, and it's 12:30, and it's just been about every half hour to an hour we've been under a tornado warning. I've been in the bathroom, the hall bath, which is the center of our house, I know at least 4 times since I got up at 5 o'clock. But here we've already got water starting to pond or pool in our yard. There it is, all up underneath our Japanese maple there. It just has nowhere to go. But so far that's all I see. But we're starting to get some heavy rain bands, and the last tornado warning we had, it's now past us and gone into, I'm just waiting for that tree to one day fall. There's some big winds. Anyhow, so the rain is really starting to come down. We just pray it doesn't get up to that step like it did last year with Florence. The water just had nowhere to go, and it went right here to the bottom step, and went to bed and got up the next morning, it was gone. But anyhow, so that's second update, Hurricane Dorian. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Alright, well, we just had a gust of probably, I'd say, 25 miles per hour. Just kind of blowing the trees around, but really not too bad. Of course, I have heard that we're going to get, anytime between now and 2 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning, that we might get some more higher gusts of wind. I heard 75, but I haven't really heard of an update recently. So just not sure what's going to happen tonight. But if I can give another update, then I'll give update number 4 in maybe another hour if it's still light outside. Alright, y'all stay safe. Well, it is 6:15, doing probably the last update before it gets dark. I don't think we're going to get much else. If we do, I'll be surprised. Because it's not raining now, we just have light winds. So this is update number 3 for Thursday, September the 5th, 2019, Hurricane Dorian. Alright, y'all stay safe. What are you smiling about?
Brad Keselowski just posted 9 minutes ago. 10 to go, NASCAR playoffs. He's feeling it now, you know what I mean? It's the middle of the week. This week's the first race. He's like, oh shit, oh. I bet it's going. Every year he's fell short since 2011.
Right.
I mean, he'll run 2 and then he'll get knocked off, you know what I mean?
So what was that you were saying this morning about you thinking about really going into that business with doing the polyurethane tables?
Down the road, maybe.
Well, what happened to the dream of having an ice skating rink in St. Lucia that we talked about 22 years ago?
That dream has sailed.
It
20
sailed?
years ago. Yeah, we could have done it 20 years ago.
22 years ago.
Could have done it then.
Oh, why didn't you do it?
Because you wouldn't move out of the country.
Oh, that's right. Forgot about that. I heavy?
Huh?
Am I heavy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Whee! I feel like a young kid again. We're the only ones in the laundromat. And this is, oh, that breeze feels good. Woo! Gotta make fun out of it. Yay! Is there any cameras in here?
You having fun?
Lord, forgive me if this is a sin. But it's fun. Woo!
Showing the speed?
Yeah, but don't let me
Showing it
topple
gonna
over because
fly?
I'm heavy. I'm
Maybe
fat.
toppling over in a second.
No. Woo! All right, I'm getting dizzy.
You have fun?
I had a lot of
Don't forget, we love you and remember to love each other.